This segment is brought to you by Odlum Brown.
Joining us now is Rita Ager, an insurance specialist with Odlum Brown. Rita, independent living, that is being able to stay in our own homes, is something that's really important to a lot of people. And the question increasingly becomes as we age is, can we actually afford to do that? So I'm wondering if there are insurance products that will help us to achieve our goal.
Yes, Michelle, there are insurance products that can help you stay in your own home and provide a financial assistance to you for expenses associated with care that you may require as you age in your own home.
So it's great. How does that work?
Well, long-term care insurance is an insurance product that one can purchase that can provide financial benefits, reimbursement payments, if you will, to provide for care for you in your own home.
So do you have to do that years in advance, or when you hit your late 60s, early 70s, can you make a decision because you know you're going to need it then?
Well, like any insurance product, long-term care insurance should be purchased before you are requiring the benefits, so before you have a claim. And certainly you have to qualify medically. So it's the kind of coverage that you should purchase while you're young and healthy, and premiums will be a lot less expensive if you purchase it sooner. Long-term care insurance is going to cover expenses associated with getting assistance for you to be able to stay in your own home. So the assistance could be required to stay in your own home or be in a care facility.
So as I'm maybe mid-50s saying, you know, I think this could be a good idea, and I want to start planning toward it, then the question is, are there an array of choices? Is there, various budgets so that I can get something that makes sense for me financially?
Well, the sooner you buy the long-term care insurance, the less you're going to pay in terms of premiums, because the cost of the benefits increase as you get older. The cost of benefits, the benefit cost could be very reasonable compared to the amount of benefits that you can gain from long-term care insurance. So the benefit cost is going to be related to the type of benefit you purchase. Benefits can be purchased on a reimbursement basis, so the type of coverage that will reimburse expenses that you incur for long-term care costs, or it can provide a monthly income. So depending on the amount of coverage and the type of coverage you buy, that's going to determine the premiums that you pay.
So it's an individual thing?
It's an individual thing. So premiums can actually be quite reasonable at the younger ages.
I would imagine you need to talk to your broker about this?
Best to talk to your insurance broker about the benefits and options that are available with long-term care coverage.
And what do I need to know about actually putting in a claim? What about the benefits and options, I guess?
Benefits are payable if you have trouble taking care of activities of daily living. So the activities of daily living could be things like bathing, so getting in and out of the bathtub, being able to being able to dress yourself. So it not just relating to clothing, but it also could be relating to braces and appliances that someone may need. Also things like transferring yourself in and out of bed, getting back and forth to the washroom, the ability to look after your care. You may need somebody to come into the house to help you with those items, and there may be a cost to doing that. Might not be something that's completely covered by government programs.
So our person of the week, Pat Kopp, she needs a walk-in bathtub, and it's made all the difference. It's helped her to stay in her home. Would something like that be covered by a government program?
Well, the cost of putting the walk-in bathtub into her home wouldn't be covered by long-term care insurance, but long-term care insurance could provide for somebody to come in and help you with those activities of bathing and getting in and out of the bathtub and showers and whatnot. It could also provide benefits if somebody has a cognitive impairment. So issues like severe brain injuries or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, if somebody needs help in their home, it could provide benefits for that.
Rita Ager, thanks so much for your advice.
North of 49, a guide to the rest of your life.